Good afternoon, guys. Tonight I'm making dinner for myself. So you need 1 onion, carrot, chicken pieces, there's drumstick and the thigh bit with the bones. I don't know what's called. You need one bit of arborio rice and also the cut beans. So once you've cut up the carrot and onion and must of course cut up and bust up the chicken, time to cook. So in the saucepan I'll fill it some oil and put onion and carrot, so that's making it nice and soft. That's a thin based saucepan on a medium heat. So when the onions are nice and soft, English or chicken, just let it turn white on both sides, just white. So as I've said, just turn it white on both sides, so like that. That's the way I'm here. That's the way. And then so put some vegeta, salt, pepper and sweet paprika, and mix it nice and easy. And then so add the arborio rice and then mix it till like that, nice and easy, So stir it, and then stir it, like 3-4 minutes, just to be twice like that, cook. And then empty the cut beans, Empty the frozen cut beans and then stir again, nice and easy. That's Amir style, Amir kitchen. And then so that's it. That's how it looks. So empty 3 cups of water, and that's the way. 3 cups of water. So in here now I'll put some more vegeta and sweet paprika, and I'll put also the pasta in there, and also the tomato paste, Italian tomato paste, and then mix it so like that, nice and easy. So once that starts to boil, cover the lid and cook it for 20 minutes on a low heat. Sorry guys, I mean 25 minutes. And then so after 25 minutes turn it off. And then starts looking Amke's kitchen, Amke's dinner tonight. See you later guys, see you later.